We're here at Collegetown Court to take a look at studio apartment 307. Let's go on in. You'll notice right away that this layout is different from our other layout styles that we have here in Collegetown Court because we're going in through a hallway. This puts some distance between your room area and the hall and the door. So let's go on in. We're passing by the bathroom and closet, but we'll come back and take a look at both of those. The room will always have the same furnishings. You've got your dresser, the full-size bed, the desk and chair, the bookshelf, there's that dining table and chair. So what's unique about this apartment is that the kitchen is on the interior part of the apartment, not directly inside the door as you walk in like we have with the other models. This is the 07 style, has this. This is on floors 2 through 5. You can get 207, 307, 407, or 507. They are the same layout. The kitchen is the same lineup as we have in the other apartments. It's just in a different position. So we've got the refrigerator, the microwave, the sink with a sprayer, and the electric stove and oven. Let's take a look around. We'll see out the window. We are facing to the west in this apartment. We are in central Collegetown, just up from the intersection of College Ave and Dryden Road. So we're surrounded by buildings on all sides. So you can see we're in some buildings. Those buildings are facing College Ave that are next to us. These ones are facing Dryden Road. We still get some sky here, especially to the south, over towards our left. And there's the bed again. Let's go over and take a look at the closet and bathroom. The closet is this door on the right. That's directly adjacent to the entrance door. And then the bathroom, we've already passed by, but let's take a look in there. I like this bathroom. It has a different layout from our other bathrooms in the building. So we've got the toilet and a nook over here. And then the vanity and the standing tub shower are over on this side. So that's a different setup for the bathroom that we've seen here in this apartment. So again, this is Collegetown Court 307. We're located at 208 Dryden Road. We're just up from the intersection of College Ave and Dryden Road here in central Collegetown. And this studio apartment in this 5-floor building is located just 1 block to campus.